Hello friends and my dear countrymen, today on this day I wish you a very happy Independence Day. Well, a country with 5,000 years of recorded civilization and 10,000 years of unrecorded civilization, from the lands of the Ganges, the lands of the Brahmaputra, the lands of the Indus River. We are a country which had the first human civilization in Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Well, if you see India is a 10,000 years old civilization, but it has the youngest population, working population in the world. 65% of our youth are below 25 years. We have age-old culture, so on the other hand, we are the most advanced IT industry. So now, as the year unfolds 2020, we are all hit by a coronavirus and lots of wars and famines happening all over the world. India will provide the light to the world. The next 10 years from 2020 to 2030 is with India. It is the year of India with the leadership of Narendra Modi. So there is a small message I would like to give to my countrymen, not big talk, a small message. That is, see, we can grow 10 times more than India is growing, and it depends on us. An average Indian, if you see, he doesn't like Indian products. He is fascinated by Levi's and all foreign brands. Well, what I say is, definitely you have a right to go for the best product. Give a chance to your Indian companies. See, Indian companies mostly don't grow because they don't get a market inside India. If a country, if a company gets a market within India, they can sell more of that product in India, and in that way they can improve the quality. A great example would be Reliance, RIL, Reliance Industries Limited. See, Reliance was not in the technology sector, but being of a big size, it is now manufacturing 5G. The 5G technology, which is 4G, which is 5G, which is technology which is going to come. It is Reliance self-developed technology, and once it is success in India, it will be then exported to all the countries all over the world. Similarly, there are many small companies in India, but they are not able to grow because they don't have a market within India. So I would advise my countrymen, be Indian, buy Indian, use Indian products, and give a chance to Indian companies to grow business in India. The moment they grow business in India, they are strong in India. Next phase is they can export outside India. So that is there. Stay safe. Corona is catching up very fast. Stay safe, stay indoors, and a very happy Independence Day.